Team Las Piñas, despite of the rain, they came out here to support our event. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready, let's start the evening, the 10th year anniversary of Southern Iowa Entertainment. There you go. Give it up for Orphan Hope.
Basta lupang sinilahan, puno ng pagmamahal na ginagakaisa, kahit naging tinutuloy inilahan. Puno ng pagmamahal na ginagakaisa, kahit naging tinutuloy sa Pilipinas. Basta lupang sinilahan, puno ng pagmamahal.
A city on a hill that cannot be hidden, a street light that has an eye-opening illumination, a street light that is crooked and depraved street. You are a street light, and to those who are in darkness, pain, sorrow, tragedy, and fear, you hold out the word of life. Salamat.
Yeah, what's up? Ako nga pala si Jumil Makaluma ng Bridge the Gap saka Urban Hope. Nandito ako ngayon sa B-side, may event ng BMA 10th year anniversary. Yun, kay Ewul at Dumya ginagawa na mga project namin, mga skate event. Basta supporta lang kayo.
Let's get back to Jesus. Coughing and wheezing. This world's full of lies, man.